Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be solving the question paper for biological molecules. This is a multiple choice paper. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Small molecules are used as the basic units in the synthesis of large food molecules. Which statement is correct? A. Amino acids are basic units of carbohydrates. Is this correct? No. This is incorrect as amino acids are the basic units of proteins. Fatty acids are basic units of glycogen. No. Simple sugars are basic units of glycogen. They're asking for the basic units. You should remember that. Glycerol is basic unit of oils. Similarly to the B part, simple sugars is the basic unit of oils. Simple sugar is a basic unit of proteins. D. Yes, D is the correct answer. Two. When a substance is added to meat, amino acids are produced. What is this substance? The answer would be B, an enzyme. Why is this, guys? When a hormone is added, amino acids are not produced. When oil is added to meat, fatty acids and glycerol will be produced. But an enzyme when added to meat, amino acids are produced. The diagram shows a part of a protein molecule. What does X represent? X over here represents A, amino acids. We should remember that the basic part of a protein molecule when it's given in a diagram is always going to be an amino acid. This question can be asked in multiple ways, so remember this. Question number 4. 4 different foods were tested for their composition. The results are shown in the table. Which food contains protein but not reducing sugar or starch? So the important points you must know by now is the Benedict's test, Biuret test, iodine test, the fat test and the DCPIP test, which is for vitamin C. So let's look at this. Benedict's test. Which food contains protein but not reducing sugar or starch? So the test for protein is the Biuret test. So we should look at this column first. In the Biuret test, if protein is present, the blue color of the solution turns to purple or lilac. So it has to be either A or B. We should also remember that it contains protein but not reducing sugar or starch. So the iodine test should be negative, which should be brown, and the Benedict's test should remain blue and not turn to brick red. So your correct option will be B, 4B. What are the smallest basic units of starch and glycogen molecules? So the answer over here would be D. Why is this? Simple sugars are the basic units of starch, and as we discussed in the previous questions, simple sugars are also the basic units of glycogen. Number 6. The diagram represents a protein molecule. What do the small circles represent? As I told you in this particular question, this could be asked in many ways. Similar to that, over here, a protein molecule is represented as a circle. So the small circles represents nothing but our amino acids. Which row shows the elements and basic units that are used in the construction of large food molecules? Alright, so let's look at this. We must remember that the basic units of fats is not glucose. Fats is not glycerol, so it can't be A or B. C. Starch and glucose. Yes, this is correct. And it does contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So your correct option will be C. Question number 8. Which nutrient produces a purple color when mixed with Biuret solution? Biuret solution is the test for proteins. So if protein is present, the solution turns from blue to purple or lilac. So our correct option will be B, which is protein. Question number 9. Which simple molecule are the basis of proteins? Again, amino acids. Question number 10. Which food testing reagent shows a positive result when it turns from blue to purple? It's going to be the Biuret test for proteins. So it is going to be B, Biuret reagent. Question number 11 is a bit tricky, but we must understand it carefully. The diagram shows 2 food tests carried out on solution X. When you see a question like this, you should see, are both the solutions X? Yes, in this case they both are X. Which nutrients are present in solution X? So what is biuret used for, guys? We've been discussing this throughout. Pause the video. Biuret solution is used for testing proteins. And Benedict solution, I'm going to tell you now, listen carefully. Benedict solution is used for testing glucose. Remember, starch is iodine, but glucose is Benedict solution. Which nutrients are produced in solution X? Biuret solution, if protein is present, it turns from blue to purple or lilac. So yes, there is protein over here because it's turned to purple color. And Benedict solution, when heated, if it does contain glucose, it turns to red color. It's specifically called brick red. This is what IGCSE accepts. So your correct answer will be protein and sugar. So just to confuse you, protein and starch is also given, but remember it is protein and sugar. 12. The data shows the concentrations of sugar and starch in an onion. Total sugar including reduced sugar, gram per 100 grams. That's 3.7. Starch, gram per 100 grams. Okay, that's 0. So when there's no starch, the test should be negative, correct? So it will not turn blue-black, it will turn brown. So we should remember this will be brown. And reducing sugar is nothing but the Benedict's test. So the Benedict's test will turn from blue to brick red. So this is brick red and this is brown. So your correct answer will be D. So that is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and for more of these videos, subscribe to my channel. Bye.